Okay, let's get right into it. Who here wants to be on an amazing vacation 6 months from today? Yeah, me too. Now, be honest, who feels like there's just no way you can afford it? I've been there. But today, we're going to break down a simple plan that's designed to prove that feeling wrong.
You know the feeling, right? You're scrolling online, you see these incredible pictures, you can almost feel the sun, and then bam, reality check. That dream trip feels a million miles away, especially when you're watching every penny. It can be super frustrating. But what if there was a clear roadmap? We're about to walk through a simple 5-step plan that is genuinely realistic. And you know what the best part is? It actually works. By the time we're done here, you are going to have the exact strategy you need to make that trip happen. For real.
All right, first things first, we have to make this goal real. A vague idea like, I want to go on a trip, is impossible to save for. It's too fuzzy. We need a number, a concrete target. This means you got to do a little homework. Figure out what your dream vacation will realistically cost. You know, flights, hotel, food, and definitely a little extra just in case.
So just for our example, let's pick a number. Let's say your perfect getaway is going to cost about $2,400. Just picture that number for a second. Seeing your target is honestly the very first step to hitting it. And this is where the magic happens. A number like $2,400 can feel kind of huge, right? But watch what happens when we break it down. Over our 6-month timeline, that's just $400 a month. Or even better, that's only $100 a week. All of a sudden, that feels doable, doesn't it?
So knowing your weekly goal is one thing, but actually hitting it every single week, that's the real challenge. That's why the next 3 steps are all about building a simple, automated system that's going to do all the heavy lifting for you.
Okay, so our system has 3 main parts. First, we're going to create a special home just for your vacation money. Second, we're going to put the whole process on autopilot. And third, we're going to add a fun little booster to speed things up.
Now, this first part of the system is so much more than just an organizing hack. It's a powerful little mind game. You're going to open a brand new savings account, completely separate from your regular one. And don't just call it savings account number 2. Give it an awesome, inspiring name like Mexico 2026 or Mountain Adventure Fund. It just makes the goal feel so much more real and tangible.
And here it is, the most important part of this whole system. You have to automate it. Do not, I repeat, do not rely on your willpower. Set up an automatic transfer for your weekly goal, in our case, that $100, to move from your checking account into that new vacation fund every single payday. This is the secret sauce. This is how you save money without even thinking about it. Okay, and now for the fun part, the booster. It's called the $20 rule, and it is a brilliant little habit. The rule is simple. Every single time a $20 bill ends up in your hand, doesn't matter if it's change from the grocery store or cash from an ATM, it doesn't go in your wallet. Nope, it goes directly into your vacation fund. You will be absolutely shocked at how fast this adds up. Okay, so your savings system is up and running on autopilot. Fantastic. Now for the final step, which is answering the big question. Where does that $100 a week actually come from? Well, the secret here isn't about making more money. It's about redirecting money you're already spending.
And this slide says it all, really. You don't have to make some huge, painful sacrifice. Just find one small recurring thing. Maybe it's eating out one less time a week. Maybe it's skipping the fancy coffee shop a few times. Then you just take the money you would have spent and you immediately pop it into your vacation fund. That one tiny change can literally fund your entire trip.
And before we wrap up, here are a few final pro tips to make this even better. First, if you can, use a high-yield savings account. That way your money is actually earning a little interest while it sits there. Second, check in on your progress once a month. Seriously, seeing that balance go up is a huge motivator. And most importantly, if you have a tight month and miss your goal, do not stress about it. Don't give up. Just get back on track the next month. Remember, consistency is way more important than perfection.
And there you have it, the whole 5-step plan. See, you don't need a massive salary to make a dream trip happen. You just need a good system and the commitment to take that very first step.
So, here's your challenge, starting right now. This week, I want you to do 2 things. 1, decide on your total vacation budget. And 2, set up that very first automatic transfer. Even if it's only for $50, or hey, even 20. The most important step you take is always the first one.
So I'll leave you with this question. 6 months from today, you could be in the exact same spot, just dreaming about getting away. Or you could be kicking back on that beach knowing you made it happen. The choice is yours, and the plan starts right now.